The Google Home Mini doesn't have any wall mounting points on its base, which is a shame because that's exactly where lots of people want to put theirs, especially if, like me, you have one in your kitchen. Let's see what we can do about this. Luckily, thanks to 3D printing and enterprising folk, I bought this invisible wall mounting bracket for the Google Home Mini online for about £4. I've put links in the video description so you can order one too. Start by clearing the area around where you'll be mounting your Google Home Mini, and then hold it up to the wall in roughly the place you want to mount it, and make a mark to show where the bottom is. If it's a tiled wall, you'll want to use a tape measure and ensure that it's bang in the centre of the tile for OCD purposes. To drill into tile, you'll want to use a special drill bit intended for drilling into tile and glass, so I've put links to that in the video description too. Ensure there are no electrical cables or pipes behind where you're working, and then carefully drill a hole which is only as deep as the wall plug. Insert the wall plug and tap it very gently with a hammer until it's flush with the surface. Place the screw through the screw hole on the mount and then switch back to a screwdriver bit and tighten up the screw until it's firm but not too tight. Check it's horizontal and then thread through the power cord from the bottom and plug it into the Google Home Mini. Then, place the Google Home down on the mount, stand back and admire your handiwork. Hey Google, tell me a joke.
Okay, here you go. Saw a fellow chatting up a cheetah. I thought, well, I never. He's trying to pull a fast one.
Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.